Hey guys, I had a request to do a tutorial to show how I added this image stream or section here. I've got this image block above and another one below this section where I have some random facts about me on my about page. So I wanted to show you guys how you can do the same thing on your page. To get started, I just need to add a 4-column section, and immediately the layout menu appears. I'm going to stretch the section, and I'm going to change the content width from boxed to full width. That way it'll stretch all the way across the screen no matter what size monitor you're viewing. Then I want to add an image. There it is. So I'll just drag the image widget over into my first column. And I've just uploaded some stock images here. And on all of my, this isn't my website, this is one for my husband, but on all of my pictures, I'm going to put some text in the title and the alt text boxes that will help make it more searchable on Google. So for my website, at a minimum, I put my name, Ashley Kaplan, and worry-free WordPress in each of these. So for you, I would recommend your business name or your name and your website name or a key product or a key service or something that you are recognized by or want to be recognized by to help with Google search results. So that's just a side note SEO tip. So I'm going to insert that. Okay, so I have my picture and it's looking good, but it doesn't do anything. You can see when I hover over my images, they shrink, and I have this little pointer. And when I click on the image opens in a lightbox. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So to get the lightbox effect, you simply come down to this link to dropdown and select media file, and then your lightbox option will appear, and you can just leave it to default. And then when I click over it, it opens as a lightbox. So now I need to give it an animation. I want it to shrink like mine on my about page. So I'm going to edit my image, go to Style, go down to Hover, and go to Hover Animation and select Shrink. There we go. Now it shrinks. And the only thing that it looks like we need to change to match mine is that there's still this margin and padding issue. So you can see there's some white space between this photo and the placeholder for the next image. So we're going to do a couple of things. First, we're going to go to our column editor, and we're going to change this widget space from 20 to 0. And then I'm going to go to the advanced editor, and I'm just going to unlink both of these. And you can see that takes away the margin, and it takes away the padding, and it fills up the entire area. All right. So now I want to do the same thing in each of these boxes. So first, I'm going to hover over this column edit button. I'm going to right click and copy. And then I'm going to come to this next one, hover over the column edit button here, right click, paste style. I'm going to do the same thing here and the same thing here. Next, I'm going to do the same thing with the photo, the image edit. I'm going to copy, and then I'm just going to click here and paste, paste, paste. So now the styling is set up exactly the way I want it to be. The only thing I have to do is change the image. So I'll click on this one, pick a new image, and I'm not going to go through and change my title. But I would change it to Ashley Kaplan Worry-Free WordPress. I would delete the caption, and I would copy the Ashley Kaplan Worry-Free WordPress into the alt text field. Okay, same thing. Another time. Okay. So that's how you do that. If you want to do a second one, then all you have to do to duplicate this, hover over the Edit Section button, right-click, duplicate. Now you have 2 rows. Again, you would just go in here, change each of these pictures, and then you can add a section in between. Drag your heading in here. Drag your text editor in here. We'll want to add some spacers above and below. Probably want to center that. Random facts about me. And then, of course, you would enter your random facts about you here and style up your heading text and your paragraph text however it suits you. So that is how you add the row of images and create a lightbox and a hover animation for each one.